Max FM Ghana. We are live on YouTube. Max FM Ghana. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Yes, Lord.
When you mean what Jesus? And anyway, what
oh,
what if on it? What what they want my now I'm sorry for you. Jesus. That's the other. What my what you want my what's sorry Jesus, what my time, in a grand, and it was say, why did you want to and I am a mere concussion, you can share some baby. I'm a person with two young way and fan show on crime. Baby, I will be I am found in the outcome. When you say young coupon on the wall, what's the mean chow and I mean power to be
live on YouTube, Max FM
I am going to be with you.
Jesus, Max FM Ghana, joining us this year.
I say, me nyami aye. Gigi said, me nyami aye. When you say, me nyami aye. I can't say baby, the man is slow. Nyami aye. I can't say baby, the man is slow. Sikasam no me nyami aye. Our sam no me nyami aye. I went to some no me nyami aye. I am a son of me nyami aye. Me say I am a son of me nyami aye. Me say I am a son of me nyami aye. I can't say baby, the man is slow. Nyami aye. I can't say baby, the man is slow.
Wow.
I say oh, come and and every me see what's that with you. We are no pop for you. Something you must say. What is that way? Oh, what way? It was the video. So I no my pass. What is that way? Say ya wona okay baby I will be a ya wona okay baby join me ya wona okay as you join me and worship the Lord this afternoon I tell you who to show you that you want the mouth oh ya wona okay baby ya wona okay baby yeah ya wona okay baby
for Kate Swanika. Hey, Charlie, we are the papa. In fact, next week is your Hunan Sambra. Because one my yen shira a vie. Why na Kate Swanika? Catch
Kate Swanika,
gospel musician.
Gospel musician, or Pekeba
kakra. Ah, uchi enya tise mediana. Inti kakra. Inti yen kran kasana.
Oh, we can flow so that
Obi abetiase. Ah. Okay. All right. Inti utu nyum say how many years in it? Professionally? Nancy Ache.
We started Newtona. Minya 15 years.
Wow. Inti unyum I ready. I will out ana.
Bacho miguso ye mi mujuma.
Okay. Ben Mike na mami na enkasa den.
Me bacho.
Enye oni ena ekasa. So what you say?
Me bacho Matias.
Say me say me nya weight. Say they na prophet on wa lose weight no. Person me gaining weight. And it's no kasa na mintie.
Me bacho.
Okay. So friend na man for friend. Moon friend prophetess ni line no. Moon friend no ono na obompai media me mbompai. Moon friend no studio line ni dem moon friend me pamwacho. And then nyame honhom na ese me bie phone lines na me bie. Sa same nyame honhom no na edi ye ko Achimota Mall Ochina 27th of March ye nyina ye hia e wo Achimota Mall. Obi be said dear na e koso wo ho Max by AB this why fasting and prayers all night until this what mumbra be hwe no Ochina e wo Achimota Mall it is Swanika nti ye pe we kira kwan ye be sanyo obe my telephone number na omumfro we are the pound say they now ultimate to call high pitch son. Wow yet you
me pacho opese otemenka me telephone number ni obetimi afre afaso 0546 30 802
8002 0546 30 8002 opese unchi obia
me pacho me pese me chia me papa for me no bi a omoda makoma so pa
and no first time about radio so
me pacho
anytime I can start to say virgin no radio virgin I feel Matthias because I was saying for mention I be at your church papa for no wakoma so
me pacho yo pacho di kan ye Apostle Ishmael Nana Yeboa
Otie
me pachan oti nyame sha one ne yere Mrs. Lady Reverend Elizabeth Yeboa
okay
me cha mu ewia we nyame sha mo pa afi me cha eto so me no ekoma Prophet Napoleon Gatti o hwe Mrs. Nyame enhira no ena Emmanuel Osei Spiritus Pastor Emmanuel Osei Spiritus nyame enhia ho
ana embrutu
ye nyina
wie mo gan kamo amenoko ye gan ngbegbe ame oje kemo ye gan me bobutu
o fine nje osu o fine
no ganyo jibo
o fine ganyo jibo
no ba hia mi denje na ke o baga o bomodo no nga osu bi ye nga ameni